all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making Tex-Mex egg rolls. These wonderful egg rolls are a copycat of Cheesecake Factory. They paired well with the avocado crema that I posted previously. First, we need 85 grams of diced or chopped onion. Then we de-seed and dice 120 grams of tomatoes. I found it easiest to de-seed by using a small spoon, so I just scoop the seeds. Pat dry the diced tomatoes on paper towel by tapping it lightly. Chop about 3 to 4 garlic cloves. We need 15 grams. Then we chop about 4 tablespoons or 30 grams cilantro leaves. When I buy cilantro, I wash, pat dry, and cut it in half so I have the stems separated from the leaves. Then I roughly cut or chop it separately and put it in the fridge. This will make it last longer. This is the cilantro that we'll be using for our egg rolls. I have 1 pound chicken meat and I'm cooking it with a packet of taco seasonings and water enough to almost cover the entire chicken. Cook until the water is reduced and the chicken is shredded. Add 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons oil, 2 teaspoons chicken powder. We want to pan fry it a little bit and make it flavorful. While the chicken is cooking, drain the canned black beans and rinse it off. Take about 100 grams and gently pat it dry and set aside. Take 100 grams frozen corn kernel and boil it. Once it boils, we want to drain it and let it cool and set aside. Then we want to pat it dry. Now we're ready to saute the mixture for the egg rolls. Put tablespoon oil in a hot pan. Add 85 grams diced onion. Saute until the onion is softened and add the chopped garlic. Saute until you can smell the garlic. Add 300 grams of the pre-cooked chicken. We can make the leftover chicken for something else. Add 100 grams black beans and 100 grams corn kernel that we have pat dry. Cook briefly just to ensure the water evaporates. Then we add diced tomatoes. Adjust the seasonings. I add 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons taco seasonings, and 2 teaspoons chicken powder, and 4 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and cook briefly just until everything is incorporated. You should not be cooking too long from the point you put the beans and corn. Let it cool before adding the cheese as we don't want the cheese to melt. Then add 100 grams shredded cheese of your choice. I use a combination of taco blend, cheddar, and quesadilla and stir until combined. Open the egg roll wrapper. You can use any brand you like. Crack an egg and whisk lightly with a fork to make the egg wash. Put about 4 tablespoons of the mixture in the middle of the wrapper and fold. Watch how I do it. You want to push and squeeze the mixture slightly as you are rolling the wrapper, as you want to have a tightly wrapped egg rolls. You can reopen and readjust as well, but don't do it too often or the wrapper breaks. Put the egg wash at the end to seal. You can make many different varieties of these egg rolls, and here's another one. Remember, we have leftover chicken, so I put the leftover chicken and some avocado slices, add chopped cilantro on top, and roll it. Heat up oil in the pan. This is how you test the oil. If the spoon sizzles, then the oil is hot enough. Put the egg rolls and fry until golden brown. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. As always, thank you for your support. I hope you can hear how crunchy it is. Thank you for watching and see you next time.